As the seasons change, so do the needs of our homes. As the days get longer and the sun shines brighter, we crave lighter, airier decor that reflects the energy of the season. Not only does this make our homes feel more inviting, but it can also improve our mood and overall well being. So, hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. Today, I'll be showing you my summer decor haul, and I would like to thank Kent for sponsoring a part of this video. So, here's what I bought for the summer home decor: spandex sofa slipcovers to quickly change the look of my old teak wood sofa, a beautiful and stylish Kent cool fan as it has 5 blades, downlight, and low noise, 2 different sets of curtains, and a beautiful rug. Now, let's unbox them one by one and decorate my living room for summer. First, let's unbox the sofa slipcovers. Well, I have this quite old teak wood sofa passed on to me by my parents-in-law. So it's kind of has some sentimental values attached to it. People often suggest I get rid of this sofa, but I know I'm not going to do that anytime soon. A better choice, on the other hand, is to give it a fresh look without putting in extra effort or spending too much money. I came across this beautiful idea of covering the sofa cushions with slip covers. It's made of spandex and has an elastic band on the bottom of the cover, which is why it fits snugly on the cushion. I chose the one with tulip prints on it, which in my view is perfect for summer. It's extremely soft, comfortable, and easy to care for. If it gets dirty, it can be machine washed. Apart from protecting the sofa from spills and stains, it gives it a completely new look, and that too instantly. I was looking for slip covers in solid colors but couldn't find anything nicer than this one. So I'll definitely be making one myself with the fabric of my choice quite soon. But yes, I loved its summery colors and the freshness that it lends to the room. I have found the ideal partner to boost the aesthetic quotient of my home decor, and that is the Kent Cool Stylish Fan Luxus C5. So let's unbox it. It was love at first sight, since it has a royal appearance with 5 dynamic blades and down and ring light with 3 modes that elevates the decor of my home. I just love that I can operate this fan from anywhere using remote, smartphone, and even voice-enabled devices like Alexa. Isn't it amazing? What else? It is a low-noise BLDC fan with just 38 watts to save up to 65% on electricity while providing excellent airflow with minimum noise. I'm sure that even you are tempted to go check out all its unique features, aren't you? Now let's unbox the third product, the curtains. So this one package contains 2 curtains. Mine are 7 feet, each having 8 stainless steel grommets. It looks extremely beautiful and is perfect for the summer as it has a botanical print and lighter fabric, but I didn't like the material. It's made of long crushed fabric and has some shine to it. As opposed to the claims made in the product description, it isn't room darkening, doesn't offer thermal insulation, and doesn't offer noise reduction. Look-wise, I'll give 10 out of 10 to this curtain, but the quality of the fabric pushed me to return the product. Now let's come to the next set of curtains and see if this lives up to my expectations or not. Oh my, look at the packaging. Lovely, isn't it? And here we have a set of 2 panels in one package. I ordered 2 such sets. This is such a beautiful curtain. I loved it. The fabric is 350 GSM cotton, which is a medium weight fabric. It has a beautiful floral print going on. I chose the turquoise color to match it with the sofa slip covers and rug. It doesn't have eyelet rings. Instead, it has back tabs that look more elegant as they hide the curtain rod. Fabric is soft enough to make the room appear bright and airy, and heavy enough to filter out 70% of sunlight. In the summer, we need to be mindful of the heat and find ways to keep our home cool and comfortable. Lighter fabrics and colors can help reflect the sun's rays and keep our homes from getting too hot. Changing your home decor according to the seasons is an important part of creating a comfortable and welcoming home. I loved this curtain for its quality fabric, perfect finish, and soothing colors, but I have to return it too, as I was looking for thermally insulated sun blocking curtains, something that can block 80% of sunlight, as this room faces direct sunlight for more than 6 hours. It's time to unbox this heavy and huge package. It contains a rug. I'm quite hopeful about the quality of this rug. Although my previous rug was quite beautiful, the anti-skid layer wasn't of good quality, and with time it wore off and made the entire rug useless. So it was time for me to get a new one for my living room. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh my god, I just cannot describe the beauty of this rug in words. It's so well made, and look at the finish. Although it's not perfect for summer as it's made of a wool blend, summers in Pune are usually short-lived, so for more than 10 months we need something warm under our feet. Hence this purchase was a wise decision I made. It's 5 by 8 feet and its pile height is 0.5 inch. It's hand tufted and it has an extremely beautiful tribal pattern. I love how well it color coordinates with the sofa slip covers. Now that my living room is summer ready, it's time to show you all how brighter and airier it looks. Have a look. It looks nice and summery, right? So embrace the change of seasons and have fun switching up your decor. Your home and your well-being will thank you. That's all for today. I'll see you soon in the next video. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine. Bye-bye.